Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell button. Hello there! Today I am going to make soap, and before we start, we have to use our safety equipment like goggle and mask, and we have to wear gloves, and we can start now. For today's recipe is Moringa soap. Just make sure to calculate all the ingredients for this soap making. I am using a soap calculator. If you wanted to try this, you can just download the apps at App Store and you can easily get it. So you can try it. So I'm measuring my frozen moringa. I did it few days ago. I just blend it and keep it in the freezer and it's ready to go. Now is to measure the lye. Then it's time to mix together. Mix until it dissolves. Then just set aside. Now I'm measuring my oils. I have olive oil here. I have cold processed palm oil and canola mixture. And lastly is the coconut oil. Strain the lime mixture. I have separated some oils mixture because I wanted to create a lighter color afterwards. I can put some titanium oxide so it can be lighter. So I want it to be like two colors. I just sprinkle some Moringa on top so it's look more attractive. Then cover on top, and then you can wrap it with any towel or cloth and you can let it sit for 2 days. Then it's ready for cutting. Well, it's been 2 days, so the soap is ready for cutting. So let's do this. I don't have any soap cutter, so I am going to use the loaf cutter because soap cutter is very expensive, so I just use this first. Nice, that works fine, I guess. It can cut evenly the soap. So I'm so happy, it looked gorgeous. I have a soap stump here, so I am gonna try it. Well, I think it's beautiful. It looks gorgeous, by the way, for me. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for your time. You have to cure the soap 4 to 6 weeks before you use it. Well, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.